Hello and welcome to the Hatsumei M900 tablet remote tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Hatsumei tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 5 different parts: tablet remote layout and functions, running an auto program, running an AI massage, manual massage program, and pairing Bluetooth devices. Use the chapter markers in the description to quickly navigate to the desired video sections as needed. Let's begin by turning on a tablet remote by tapping anywhere on a display screen, then tapping the power button. This will boot up the tablet remote. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read thoroughly, and when finished, tap the red "Tap here to confirm" button to continue. The next screen to appear is the auto program selection with a quick access navigation bar below. Let's go over all the buttons on the navigation bar. Use these bottom buttons to easily switch between the remote screens or to control your massage chair. In the bottom left corner is the power button. If you tap the power button, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. Next is the pause button. When pressed, this button will temporarily stop your massage. To resume the massage, simply tap the pause button again. To the right of the pause button is the home button. Tap this to be taken to the home screen, which is also the in use screen. Here you can observe all the current settings and massage session information. We will return to this screen later in this video. Next is the programs button. Tap this button to access the auto program selection. We will go over running an auto program in step 2 of this video. Next in the quick access navigation is custom AI massage. Tap this button to utilize the power of AI to create a massage tailored specifically to the contour of your spine. We will go over customizing AI massage in step 3 of this video. To the right of AI massage is manual settings. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual control settings are located. We will return to this screen later in part 4 of this video. Next is the position adjustment settings. While any massage is running, use this screen to make adjustments to the chair angles and zero gravity. The backrest, leg rest, and foot extension adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the length and fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this allows you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust a footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to raise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. While holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. Next are a set of pre-programmed chair recline positions. Incline will recline the chair back into a slight recline. Leisure will put the chair into a standard recline. Zero Gravity 1 will recline the chair into a near zero full gravity recline. And Zero Gravity 2 will recline the chair into full weightless zero gravity recline. Next in the quick access navigation bar is the My Favorite button. In the My Favorite screen, you can access a favorite auto program or a custom massage program created and saved using the custom AI massage screen we'll cover in step 3. You can store up to 8 different My Favorite programs and access them whenever you want. Use the dash below the programs to tab between the My Favorite program slots. To run a My Favorite program, tap on the desired program slot. Note, each time you save a My Favorite program, a new My Favorite slot will be written. Once all 8 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new My Favorite program. My Favorite programs cannot be updated. A new My Favorite program must be created each time a change or update is desired. To delete a My Favorite program, long press the program you wish to delete. Next, in the quick access navigation bar is the sleep mode button. Toggle sleep mode on or off. When sleep mode is on, the chair will stop in the recline position after each program's time runs out. When sleep mode is off, the chair will return to a full upright position after each program's time runs out. The final button in the quick access navigation bar is settings. Tap this icon to enter the system settings menu screens. Use these screens to adjust and personalize each chair and tablet remote settings. The settings menu can also be used to adjust and control chromotherapy lighting and Soothe Me sound therapy features. To access these menus, use double caret arrows to switch between screens. Soothe Me sound therapy menu screen will appear first. Tap to select and control one of the 10 available Soothe Me sounds. The selected sound will play from the speakers next to your head. Volume will increase or decrease the volume of the selected soothing sound, 1 being low and 9 being high. Or tap sound off to turn soothing sound off completely. Below volume is the voice demo button. Here you can toggle the voice within the demo program on or off. Note, voice demo only works in the demo program. Next is touch tone. This controls the beep sound your tablet makes each time you make a selection. Now let's tab right to the Chromotherapy Lights menu. Your chair comes equipped with chromotherapy lighting. Chromotherapy uses color spectrum to help balance one's physical, emotional, spiritual, and mental energy. Your chair has chromotherapy lights located underneath the speakers and on the outside of the chair body. Tap the screen to select the desired light color. To turn lights off, deselect the activated light color. You can also tap the lights on button, which will turn the lights off and deactivate the lighting. Tap the percent or light intensity buttons to select the desired light brightness. Next, let's tap the right carrots again to the System Settings menu. At the top, you'll find Brightness. Use this slider to control your desired tablet remote screen brightness. Tap the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the brightness. Below Brightness is Language. This chair has 2 different language settings to choose from, English and Chinese. Next is Voice Control. You can toggle on or off the built-in intelligent voice command and control feature. This feature allows you to control your chair and massage experience completely hands-free. You can find the full list of commands under the voice command button in the in-use screen or on page 19 in the user's manual. We'll go over the in-use home screen shortly in step 2 of this video. Lastly, there's Bluetooth. Here you can toggle Bluetooth on or off. Bluetooth must be turned on for Bluetooth streaming. To pair your Android or Apple device, we'll be going over this in part 4 of this video. Now let's run, personalize, and take control of some features within an auto program. Tap the auto programs icon in a quick navigation bar to navigate to the auto program selection screens. Use this screen to select from 20 preset auto programs grouped into 4 categories to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To move between categories, tap the group tabs or arrows on the side of the screen. There is Full Body, which offers programs that provide a full body experience. Next is Focus Body. This category offers a set of programs that are a more focused massage experience tailored to different regions of the body. Next is Recovery. This selection of massages is designed to help the body recover from specific conditions or stresses. And finally, Renewal, a set of programs that aims to rejuvenate and refresh the body. To select, simply tap the auto programs you wish to run. Each one of these auto programs provides a different massage that is designed to stimulate muscles and ease tension. We recommend trying each one out and seeing what feels best for you. For this program running example, we are going to pick Comprehensive. Once any program is selected, the chair will do an advanced AI TrueFit body scan. You will be taken to the body scanning screen, and the chair will automatically begin scanning your body, mapping your back, shoulders, and neck. During this process, it is important to remain seated back into the chair without lifting your head. Once a beeping countdown timer starts, here you can use the arrows to adjust the back mechanism up and down to match your specific shoulder height. After the countdown timer has elapsed, your massage will begin. After adjusting your shoulder height, you'll be taken to the in-use screen where you can observe all the current settings and session information. This is also the home screen, which you can access by tapping the home button we went over earlier. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The red dot traveling along the figure's back represents the current position of the massage mechanism along the track. The blinking red highlights on the figure's body indicate which airbags are actively compressing. When the foot rolls are engaged, red sprockets will blink below the figure's feet, and red waves will blink when the lumbar heat is active. When calf massage is active, a red calf massage icon will blink just below the figure's legs. To the left of the figure is 4D intensity display and control. Tap the top or bottom of the red bar's indicator to increase and decrease the 4D massage intensity, top being the highest and bottom being the lowest intensity. Let's set it to 1 bar for a low intensity massage. To the right of the figure is the airbag pressure display and control. Tap the desired bar to set that pressure intensity, top being the highest and bottom being the lowest intensity. Note, 4D intensity and pressure controls are not accessible on this screen during custom AI massage. Let's set the airbag intensity to 3 bars for medium firmness. In the upper left corner, you'll find the name and icon of the program that is currently running. Just below that is the time remaining in your massage. Tap the arrows to the left and to the right of the time to add or subtract massage time in 10-minute increments. You can do this at any point during your massage. When time runs out, the massage will stop and the chair will reset. Below time remaining is foot rollers control. Tap the up and down arrows to change the speed of the foot rollers or to turn them off completely, 1 being slow and 2 being fast. Let's set it to 1. To the right of pressure is heat control. Tap this button to turn the lumbar heat on or off. In the upper right corner of the screen, you'll find voice command button. Tap this button to display all the available voice commands Hatsumei will respond to. To use a voice command, simply say, "Hey Kyota" or "Hi Kyota." Note, voice command must be enabled in the settings screen we went over earlier for voice commands to work. To the right of voice commands, you'll find the My Favorite button. Tap this button to save your current massage into a My Favorite memory slot while running a program or a custom AI massage. We'll go over making a custom AI massage in the next step of this video. Note, My Favorite Save feature is not available for manual massage created in the manual settings screen. Tap Favorite to save your current auto program to Favorites. You can now quickly access this program from My Favorites menu we went over earlier. However, 4D and pressure adjustment settings will not be saved. Now let's build a custom AI massage that you'll be able to save with all your custom adjustments. Using the quick access navigation bar, tap AI Massage. Use this feature to utilize the state-of-the-art power of AI to create the most customizable massage, tailored not only to the height of your shoulders, but specifically to the contour of your spine. The first tab in the AI screens is the robotic massage, indicated by the red button on the left side. Here you can choose the technique, 4D intensity, and speed of 4 separate regions along the massage track. Open sections will have a gray plus sign, and the selected section you are currently programming will have a red plus sign. The sections you have already programmed will show the corresponding massage mode icon. For this example, let's program 2 back regions. Let's start with shoulders. Tap the plus icon over the shoulders, which will turn it red. To the right of the region selection is mode. You can choose from 3 massage types for the selected region. There is kneading, tapping, and shiatsu. Let's select tapping. Below mode is 4D. Here you can choose your desired intensity for the selected massage mode. Let's select one for a gentle shoulder massage. Below 4D is speed. Here you can choose how fast you want the back mechanism to massage in the selected region. Let's choose 2. Note, speed can't be adjusted in shiatsu mode. Now let's choose a second region to massage. Tap the plus icon over upper back, then select kneading mode. Next, select 2 for 4D intensity and 3 for speed. Let's also turn on the waist heat using the heat button. Now that we've selected our massage regions, modes, and speed, let's select the air massage. Tap air pressure button on the right side of the screen. Here you can select or adjust the regions and intensity of the chair airbags. Active airbag massage regions will be shown in red in the human figure diagram. Under position, we have 4 airbag regions to select from. There's full body. This will utilize all the available airbags in the chair and cover the entire body. Selecting full body will also automatically deselect any individual region. Next is upper body. This region will activate the shoulder and arm airbags. Below that is waist and back. This region will turn on the airbags around the midsection. Next is leg and foot. This will activate the seat, calf, and foot compression. Tap the name to select the region you'd like to activate. Let's select upper body and leg and foot. To the right of position is strength. This will set the maximum intensity of the airbag massage for each selected region, 1 being lightest and 5 being most firm. Let's select 2 for upper body and 4 for leg and foot for a more intense leg massage. Below leg and foot region, you'll find the foot roller adjustment. Choose your desired reflexology foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 being fast. Select 0 to turn the foot rollers off. Let's select 1. Next is calf kneading. Calf kneading combines the oscillation and compression air cells to simulate hands gently relieving tension and pain in the calf region of each leg. You can control the speed of the kneading by selecting 1 for slow and 2 for fast kneading. Tap 0 to turn calf kneading off. Let's select 2. Now that we've set the back massage and air pressure settings, let's activate our AI program by tapping the Run button in the upper right corner. Note, Run must be tapped each time to activate any subsequent changes to the AI massage. When an air massage is activated, you'll automatically be taken to the in-use home screen. Here you can change the program length by tapping the left and right arrows next to the countdown timer. Let's tap right to add 10 minutes. Let's also save your newly created program to My Favorites by tapping the favorite button. Congrats! You have now saved your very own AI massage, which you can utilize at any time by returning to the My Favorite Programs list. Now let's explore manual settings. Tap the manual icon from the Quick Selection bar. Here we get to fully customize your own massage and find a perfect treatment for you. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Starting at the top left, we have 6 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is knead, knock, tap, knead and tap, and shiatsu. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose knock. You can tap back massage off button to stop the back mechanism while continuing other chair functions at any time. Next, to the right of the technique is the massage region selection. Choose an area you would like the back mechanism to focus on. Whole travels the entire length of the track. Partial travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief. Point stops on the track for targeted relief. Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the up and down arrows to adjust the back rollers along the L track. Now let's choose the maximum 4D level under 4D. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism. This setting will set the upper limit of the 4D fluctuations throughout your massage, 1 bar being light and 5 being firm. Let's choose 3. To change the speed of the massage mechanism, we can use the speed control. Tap the plus and minus buttons to select your desired speed. Massage speed can't be adjusted when in the shiatsu technique. To change the width of the back rollers, use the width plus and minus buttons. Let's select medium width. Note, width can't be adjusted when in knead or knead and tap techniques. Next, let's set the speed of the reflexology foot rollers. Tap the plus or minus buttons to set the speed of the rollers. On to the air settings. Under position, choose your desired airbag regions. There is full body, waist and back, upper body, and leg and foot. To turn a particular airbag region off, deselect the activated region. Selecting full body will override any selections and all airbags become active. Let's choose waist and back and leg and foot. This will start the air compression massage in these 2 different regions. Now let's choose the maximum air intensity for the selected regions by selecting air strength. Use the plus and minus buttons to set the upper level of the airbag massage, 1 being light and 5 being firm. Let's select 4. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the body. Now that we have customized our manual massage, let's navigate to the in-use home screen and adjust our massage time length. Tap the home button, then the right arrow next to the countdown timer to add 10 minutes into our massage. Now that we have learned the ins and outs of the manual controls, let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more throughout the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled in the settings menu on the Hatsumei M900 tablet remote. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Hatsumei M900 in your available devices section of your Bluetooth settings. Select it and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the Hatsumei remote control, you can now fully enjoy your Hatsumei M900 AI 4D massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Kyota, the world's most advanced massage chairs.